All right, let's move on to the next most common connections. These are what I call RJ connections. What I want to do is look in the back of the machine. Now if you look here, we have two different types of RJ connections. On the left is a real big old connection. This is what's known as an RJ45 connection. RJ45. Get the impression that that's important? It's important. RJ45 connections are classically used in networks. So what I have here is a piece of network cable, and I'm just going to plug this guy in, and that is an RJ45 connection at work. Over here on the right, this is a standard United States phone connection called RJ11. This device that we're actually looking at here is a modem, modulator, demodulator. This is how you plug your computer into a telephone line. The reason it has two connections, this bottom one plugs directly into your telephone jack, and the top one is used for a telephone. That way, when you're not using the modem itself, you can still plug a regular telephone into this connection. You plug in an RJ11 jack. Notice how much this looks like the RJ45, except it's a little bit narrower. So I plug the connection in. I get a little tiny snapping sound, just like we do with the RJ45, to let us know it's connected. Make a little tab and pull it back out. When we're talking about RJ connections, remember, when it really comes down to everything, you're going to have RJ11 for telephone connections and RJ45 for networks. Let me grab two of each type of connector. Let's put them right next to each other, and let's actually take a good close look at the two, and you can see. Notice the size differential between the two. Up here on the top is our RJ11, and at our bottom is our RJ45. Don't let the colors of cables or anything else confuse you. All we're going on is size alone, RJ11 and RJ45. Be sure you know your two different types of RJ connections. The A+ test was assuming that you'll know them too.